What if I told you that the most powerful classroom in America doesn't even have four walls? That a single family trip can teach history, science, geography, art, even physical education all at once. Today, I'm going to be taking you to Fort Payne, Alabama, and showing you how we turned our family trip into a full week of homeschool education and learning. And trust me, this is a lesson your kids will never forget. Fort Payne sits in the northeast corner of Alabama, right on Lookout Mountain. It's home to one of the most unique natural wonders in the United States, Little River Canyon, where a river flows on top of a mountain. When I realized how much learning potential was packed into this one place, I knew we had to turn our trip into a full homeschool unit. With 3 kids, kindergarten, 3rd grade, and 6th grade, I wanted something where they could learn together, but at their own levels. We started with geography. Before we even headed out to Alabama and the trails, we pulled out the map of Alabama where the kids were able to find Fort Payne, mark Little River Canyon, and trace the route where we'd be driving. For my kindergartner, it was simple, coloring the state and pointing to where we were. For my 3rd grader, labeling major cities and landmarks. And for my 6th grader, we dove into how the Appalachian Plateau was formed. And then we stepped outside and saw the landforms in real life, canyons, plateaus, waterfalls, everything that we had just learned on paper. We talked about landforms and erosion. Little River Falls was a perfect outdoors science lab. We talked about how water shapes rocks over thousands of years. My 6th grader sketched a cross-section of the canyon. My 3rd grader made a landform booklet, and my kindergartner built a canyon out of Play-Doh. Little River Canyon is full of wildlife, deer, hawks, salamanders, and even black bears. So we were able to discuss ecology. We even took a mini nature walk to compare what we saw at home to what lives in the canyon. Waterfall! While walking along the river, we focused on outdoor safety, river currents, cliff edges, trail markers, signs, and leave no trace principles. Fort Payne has a deep history, especially connected to the Cherokee Nation and the Trail of Tears. So we used our local library to check out books and read along our way. And of course, we couldn't skip Fort Payne's modern history, the sock capital of the world, and the hometown of the band called Alabama. There are so many different activities and projects that you can create while going to Fort Payne or any other hiking trail similar to this one. You can do hiking safety checklists, map out hypothetical trail routes. You can do a safe versus unsafe card game. One of my favorites is do Lapbooks, travel brochures, and 3D canyon models. Whatever you have available at your fingertips. This is where everything they learn come together when they're outdoors, exploring in real life. This trip reminded me that homeschooling doesn't have to stay inside 4 walls. The world is full of lessons in places like Fort Payne, and it's places like this that make learning unforgettable. If you want more homeschool travel ideas, lesson plans, or ways to turn your family trips into real learning experiences, make sure you subscribe and let me know in the comments where we should learn next.